Valigeria Roncato is a family-owned company that was founded by Gianni Roncato in 1973. Passion for crafted details, excellence in manufacturing, and a continuous research on innovation are the leading values of a brand completely dedicated to the highest quality of its Made in Italy collections. In a Roncato luggage, you will always find a long life history made of ideas and style, together with the top-performing product technology and functionality. Valigeria Roncato is one of the few leading companies in the luggage business, still producing in Italy with 3 different production lines dedicated to premium collections. Roncato products are distributed in more than 70 countries through multi-brand retailers, flagship stores and department stores. The distinctive values of the Roncato brand and family are passion and know-how handed down from generation to generation to pursue innovation in products with an increasing focus on eco-sustainability thanks to long-standing experience. Our main goal is to meet the needs of the travelers by researching and improving the best product functionality.